taking you through the norms, so you know the norms of the class. Be ready with your book and pen. I'm going to wait for everybody to put on their videos and we're going to start the class. All right? Okay. So first we will write down, when was the last time you felt scared? You're going to take 2 minutes and quickly write down, when was the last time you felt scared. Okay? Take 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Give me a thumbs up once you are done. Soumya, are we recording?
Yes.
Amazing. All right, I can see Sabita has already started writing. I can see Farzana is writing. I can see Huzaif is writing. I can see Sanya is writing. Waiting for a few more to start writing. Gullu, yes, you have raised your hand. Please unmute yourself and ask. Yes, Gullu. What is your doubt? I want everybody to write down, when was the last time you felt scared? Last time when you felt scared. Okay, I can see Mehak and Illu have started writing. Amazing, guys. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Good afternoon, Iram. Please try to be on time. And once you're done, you can share it. Soumya, have you muted everybody?
No, I haven't.
Gullu, I think you can mute yourself. Okay. Yes, Gullu, unmuting you. Say.
Didi, I am say this writing down.
Yeah, you have to write it down.
और दीदी दीदी जाने दीदी मतलब voice is problem. King.
Now is it breaking, guys?
No.
No, right? Okay, cool. Thank you, Gullu, for voicing it out for everybody. Okay, I think Soumya, you have muted everybody.
Didi, I'm not
Yes, Gullu.
write this.
You did not write it, then I'm going to give you more 30 seconds, Gullu. Mute yourself and write down quickly, okay? Okay, write down, when was the last time you felt scared? Yes.
Arzu,
yes,
I've
Soumya.
unmuted everyone so they can unmute themselves.
Amazing, thank
I
you.
don't know how that happened.
Okay. All right, guys. I can see Tanya, Faizan, Huzaif, Nehal have already shared their answers with me on the chat box. Anybody else who wants to share their answer, you can put it in the chat box or share it in the large group with everybody.
Didi, we have to write.
Yes, you have to write it down. Thank you so much, Iram, for sharing your answer. I'm going to wait for 30 more seconds and then we are going to share our answers in the last group. Yes, Ilma.
Didi,
Ilma, your voice is cracking.
I want to answer.
Okay, amazing. Okay, we'll start off with Ilma. Ilma, in the next 10 seconds, you're going to share your answer with everybody, okay?
Yeah, Didi, I am sharing.
All right, go ahead.
I am feeling scared when I have fever. My mother take me injection. I feel scared.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing your honest answer. Okay, who wants to go next? Mehak and Ilma, please mute yourself. Who wants to go next and share their, when was the last time you felt scared? Yes, Maru, unmute yourself and share, please. Okay, okay. Say in English. Say in Hindi.
मिस मैं लास्ट टाइम कब डाला था जब मेरा पैर काटने वाले थे तभी
Okay.
क्योंकि मेरे पैर में मिट्टी घुस गई थी.
Right. So, Jabi, all right. Thank you so much for sharing your honest experience, Maru. Amazing. I'm really happy that you're sharing your experience. Okay. We're going to start. Sanya, unmute yourself and share, please.
दीदी
Yes.
I feel scared when I don't join art English class and I feel very scared.
When you join our English class, you feel very scared.
Yes,
Why?
because I don't available to join the Zoom class of English.
Yeah. When you will be scared. Okay. Thank you so much.
Arzu, I think your voice is breaking again. Next. Yes, Uzef, share when was the last time you were feeling scared?
Day after tomorrow in my dream.
Day before yesterday. Uzef, day after tomorrow is the day that will come. Okay, day before yesterday in your dream. What did you see in your dream? Why were you feeling scared?
फ्यूचर बता रहे थे. In my home I am alone.
Okay, you were alone at your home in your dream. That's why you felt scared.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing, Joseph. Gaurav, you want to share? When was the last time you felt scared? Yes, Gaurav, do you want to share? Okay, Gullu is also raising her hand. Yes, Gullu, do you want to share? What was the last time that you felt scared? Yes.
Yes. To Samuditi, your break is breaking. Your voice is.
Okay, now can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
I am scared before teens. I am sick.
Okay, thank you, Gullu, for sharing. Anybody else wants to share? When was the last time that they felt scared? Gaurav, I can see you raising your hand. Unmute and speak. Gaurav.
टीचर मेरा माइक अनम्यूट था मेरे को पता नहीं था.
Okay, Faizan already saw the objective. Thank you, Faizan. Yes, Gaurav, you want to share? When was the last time you felt scared?
Yes, teacher. Last time I have felt scared half an hour, no, 1 hour before when I was playing PUBG. I was playing solo versus squad and a car came and
Okay, that is when you felt scared. Thank you for sharing, Gaurav.
For me.
Yes, yes, Arzu, we can hear you.
Amazing. All right. So we were sharing how all of us have at some point or the other felt scared. All right. We are going to quickly move on to today's objective. What we are going to do is, yes, we will be able to use our prior knowledge and experience to describe author's point of view. What you're going to do is you're going to take 1 minute to quickly write down today's date, today's day, and today's objective. You have 1 minute. Your time Guzer, Habib, Tanya, Farzana have already started writing. I am going to wait for the rest of you to quickly start writing. Amazing. I can see Nehal. Are you writing? Yes? All right. Amazing. Oh, you had written before we got disconnected. All right. Okay, guys. For those of you who hadn't written, please write down. Okay. Iram and Zoya, I hope you guys are writing. Amazing. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up so Didi knows that we should move on. Done. Isma and Mehek, Iram and Zoya done. Gullu's done. Amazing.
Didi, I am written.
To move on.
I am read the objective.
Gullu, you will raise your hand and then you will, when Didi gives you a chance, that's the only time you will unmute yourself, okay? Thank you. All right. Yes, Gullu, please unmute yourself and start reading.
Didi, I cannot see.
Give me a second. I'm just loading it for you so that you can see it better. Yeah? Go ahead.
Did our reflection and
Experience.
to describe hotter point of views.
Good job. All right. Thank you so much, Gullu, for reading it out. Okay. Now, anybody want to tell Didi what is author's point of view? We have discussed this. Author's point of view. What is author's point of view? What is author's point of view? Anybody, please raise your hand and Didi will come to you. Author's perspective. Okay. All right. Yes, Mehak, unmute yourself and answer. Yes, yes, I can see you, Mehak. Go ahead, unmute yourself.
Author about something, authors or character perspective, opinion or viewpoint.
Amazing. Good job. Thank you so much. Well done, Mehak. All right. Very good job. Okay. What author feels, author's point of view. Okay. Amazing. Good job. So we have done this before where we have looked at stories and we have identified what author feels, what author thinks. Okay, so what we are going to do in today's class, we are going to do a very similar thing, okay, where we are going to find out author's feelings and of author's thinking. Before that, for those of you who haven't written this, please author, that is the writer, thinks of. Feel down this in your notebook. I'm sure a lot of you have already written this, but for those of you who haven't, Didi is giving you 2 minutes. Quickly write this down. Okay. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Okay, Sabba, are you done writing? That's why you're sitting. Yeah, okay. To start in next 30 seconds, I hope you guys are ready. Nehal, are you done writing? Done, then give me a thumbs up. Maru, Sanya, done. Amazing. Thank you so much, guys. Faizan is done. Habib is done. All right. Shifa, Shabista, Sabah. All right. So most of you guys are done. Okay. So what we are going to do is now, while reading, we are going to keep it in our mind. Identify what author must be thinking. What is author thinking? And the second one is what is author feeling? Okay. What are the two things that we have to identify, Shifa? कौन सी दो चीजें आइडेंटिफाई करनी है?
What author most be thinking? मतलब हम लोग को आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि ऑथर क्या सोचते हैं एंड आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट ऑथर मोस्ट बी फीलिंग, मतलब वो क्या फील करती है वो देखना है.
Amazing. What author is thinking and what author is feeling. Okay, Didi skipped a lot of things. Okay, guys, quickly write this down so that you know that when you are reading, these are the two things that you have to keep in mind. Take 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Habib is done. Thank you, Habib. Joseph is done. Amazing. Maruf is done. Gullu and Farzana done. Amazing. Done. Good job. Gaurav and said Gaurav is done. Sanya is done. All right. Iram, are you done? All right. Amazing. Okay, so so what we are going to do is we're going to start reading the book. All right. Give Didi a minute.
Already, Didi,
Yes.
Didi,
Yes.
I did not write it.
Who's this?
Didi,
Yeah. Didi gave you the time to write. No. Okay. Quickly write this down for the ones who've not written it. Not more than 20 seconds. Good job, Uzef. I can see that you've written. Good job. Okay. Should we move on? Okay. Chalo. Didi will share her screen. You will be able to see a story. Okay. Remember that first of all you need to write the title of the story. The title of the story is Scared to Me. Okay. So the title of down on the top of the page, Scared to Me.
Didi, I not see screen.
Yeah. because Gullu Didi is loading the screen, okay? So you will be able to see the screen in the next 30 seconds. Bear with Didi, okay? Today's Didi's internet is not supporting her, but until then you can please quickly write down the title.
Also, let me know
What
if
we
you
have
want
to
me to
write,
share.
Didi?
Yeah?
I'm saying let me know if you want me to share something on my laptop.
Yeah. Even for that, I have to send you the link, and my internet is like just blocked for some reason.
Okay.
But I'll try. Amazing. Shabista has written. Maruf has written. Shifa has written. Vivek and Fardeen, have you written the title of the story? The ones who have not written, take 2 minutes and write it down. Gullu, you will not unmute yourself, okay? Until asked. Once you're done, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much, Nehal. Okay. We'll start, okay? My name is Tumi and I am scared. Now this is the starting line of Tumi. So what do you think Tumi is feeling right now?
Scared.
What is scared? Amazing. Who answered that? Huzef, right? Huzef, you're going to wait for Didi to let you know that whether you can answer or no. Okay, raise your hand and wait for Didi to give you a chance. Okay, yes, scared. He's feeling scared. Good job, guys. Okay, next, I want someone to read this passage for me in loud teacher voice. Who's going to read? Who's going to read? Habib, go ahead.
Miss Mama said it's okay to be scared. Everybody gets scared.
All right. Mama says it's okay to be scared. Everybody gets scared. What is Mama thinking here?
Miss Mama is thinking his tell to don't scared
Don't get scared. Why don't get scared?
because Miss वो scared रहेगा तो बीमार हो जाएगा.
Okay, no, it's mentioned here only. Why do not get scared?
Because everybody is scared.
Yes, because everybody gets scared. It's okay to be
Maruf
scared.
is also raising his hand. Maruf, you can unmute yourself and speak.
Yes, yes, Maru. Maru, do you want to read the next passage?
No.
Yes, Bolo.
I did not write.
Yes, Maru.
Went to octopus
ma'am.
comment.
Can you identify the feeling and the thinking of this passage? Okay, I'll ask you first. Okay, so be ready. I'm going to ask someone to read. Mehak and Ilma, if you keep on doing that, I will not allow both of you to read. Yes, I'm going to ask Shabista, unmute yourself and start reading.
If there is a monster under my
Bed.
bed,
Amazing. What if there is a monster under my bed? Now tell me, guys, if you find a monster under your bed, or what do you think the author must be feeling if he finds a monster under his bed? I'm going to start off with Maru. Maru, go ahead, unmute yourself and answer.
Shock and scared.
Shock and scared. I love how you use the word shock. Amazing. Good job, Maru. Okay. So the author must be feeling shocked and scared. Valid. Okay. Scared. A lot of you guys said scared. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going to ask Shifa to read.
Then I will tell to it to go away and never come back.
Yes. So what is the author thinking here? What will the author tell the monster? What is the author thinking? What will he tell the monster here?
वो मॉन्स्टर मतलब वो बोले अगर तुम्हारे बेड के नीचे मॉन्स्टर होगा तो मैं उसको निकाल दूंगी और उसको बोल दूंगी कि यहाँ से चले जाओ और कभी मत आना.
All right, amazing. I love how I would want you to also say that in English. Okay, good job, Shifa. All right, next who's going to read the next one for me? I want Farzana to unmute herself and start reading. Farzana, what if there are eyes in the bathtub drain? Okay, now what is the author's thinking here? What is the author thinking here? Yes, Farzana. It's for you to answer. Yes.
वो जब हाथ धोने वो जब नहाने गया था तब एक आइस दिख रहा था उसको पानी में.
Yeah, correct. Okay. You want to answer?
He was scared.
Scared? Yeah. All right. Thank you so much, Farzana. Can you please mute yourself? Yes, guys, I know a lot of you want to read. I will try to give everybody a chance. Please don't write it on the chat box. Didi will come to you. Okay. So, what if there are eyes in the bathtub? What is the next one? Yes, I want. Good job, Sabah. I want Fardeen to read. Since he's finding it very funny, I want Fardeen to read it. Go ahead, Fardeen. Unmute yourself and read. Yes, Fardeen. Please read.
Then your big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath.
Yes. Who's saying this? Who's saying this? Then your big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath. Who's talking?
Yes.
Who's this dialogue?
Yes, sister.
The sister.
Author.
Author is saying. Then your sister, big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath. No. Author so is asking the question, what if I see eyes? Who's replying to him? Then your big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath. No, Kamo to will pull him out of the bath. Who's saying yes? Good job, Sabah. Yes. His mama says that if anything like that happens, your sister will pull you out of the bath. Pull you out of the bath. What does that sentence mean? Your big sister will pull you out of the bath. Your big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath. Yes, Faizan, you raise your hand, unmute yourself and answer. Faizan, are you answering? Your big sister Kamo will pull you out of the bath. All right, next. Yes, Sabah, can you unmute and answer?
Take out of the bathtub.
Yes, to take out of the bathtub. Good job, Sabah. All right. With that, Sabah, can you read the next one for us?
What if a wild swallow me at the beach?
Yes. What if a whale swallows me at the beach? Okay. Now, what is the author thinking again? What is the author thinking? I'm going to ask someone else to answer. Sabha, can you please put yourself on mute? I'm going to ask Gullu. No, Huzaif. Yes, Huzaif. What is the author thinking here?
मतलब वो डरावा फील कर रहा है. Scared.
Huh?
Scared.
Scared, that's the feeling. What is the author thinking, Huzaif?
What if a world will मतलब दीदी वेल ने उसको निगल लिया है. Swallow me at the beach. मतलब वेल ने उसको बीच के पास छोड़ दिया.
Yes, what if मुझे बीच पे whale ने swallow कर लिया? What swallow? What does the word swallow mean? Does anybody want to guess? What does the word swallow mean?
Eat.
Eat. Yes, to eat. All right. Okay, Faizan, every time you answer, you're going to send it to me in the private chat. Thank you so much. Okay, nigalna. Very good, Iram. All right. Okay, so what if a whale swallows me at the beach? Guys, what would be the author's feelings here? Quickly type it in the chat. All right. Okay, you guys are writing scared. All right, too scary. Okay, amazing. Scared. All right. Yeah, so mostly danger. Very good.
मिस चार्ट में कहाँ पर लिखते हैं?
क्या?
चार्ट में कहाँ पर लिखते हैं?
नीचे चैट का ऑप्शन आता है वहां पर. ओके, एक बॉक्स जैसी आएगी चीज वहां पर. Very dangerous. Okay, amazing. Good job, everybody. All right, I am going to ask.
दीदी आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी.
I'm going to ask. Let me see who should I ask. Okay, I'm going to ask Iram to read. Iram, go ahead and read. Loud teacher voice, guys. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Can you
you.
hear me?
Yes, yes.
So we can't hear Iram, that means, right?
Yeah.
Iram? Okay. Since we can't hear Iram, I'm going to go ahead with Nehal. Nehal, can you please read?
दीदी my phone is hanging.
Okay. Iram, can you hear us now?
Yes.
Can you read?
Yes, then go and I will swim into the well to receive you.
Yes. Now then, Kamo and I will whale's mouth to rescue you. What does the word rescue mean, guys? Nehal, can you please mute yourself? What does the word rescue? What does the word rescue mean? Yes, Gullu. Unmute yourself and answer. Yes, Gullu. Unmute yourself and answer, Gullu.
Didi, my brother is come. I go to Rasta Bandhan for Rakhi.
Okay, all right. What does the word rescue mean, lekin?
Didi, what? Didi, what?
Gullu, can you pay attention in class, Baba? Didi will leave in the next 15 minutes. Please sit down and pay attention in class, okay? All right. Save you, Shifai saying, save you, save someone, good job, Faizan, Sabah. Need to save someone. Then Kammo and I will into the whale's mouth to save you. Who's saying this? Who's thinking is this? Who's thinking this? Yes, Habib. Unmute yourself and answer, Habib.
मिस
Yeah.
किसी को खतरे से बचाना एंड और थिंकिंग इज ऑथर इज थिंकिंग ये उसको कैसे बचा
This is someone else is thinking. अच्छे से देखो who's thinking is this? That Kammo and I will swim into the whale's mouth to rescue you.
ये कम्मो वो जो दो लड़की लोग हैं
अब तो लड़कियां कौन है? Kammo,
मिस ये छोटा
his name is Kammo. So who would be the next big girl? Yes, Maruf. Maruf knows the answer. Answer. Habib, can you please mute yourself? Go ahead, Maruf. Answer. Who's the other person?
क्वेश्चन नहीं क्या उसकी सिस्टर
Then Kammo and I will swim into the whale's mouth to rescue you. ये किसका thinking है? Who's thinking is this?
दूसरी लड़की का
Yes, वो दूसरी लड़की है कौन? We have discussed this guy. दूसरी कौन है? तो एक ही है. Okay, all right, guys. Anybody has a different answer? Maru, please mute yourself. Yes, go ahead. Yes. Who do you think is the other person in the passage? Who are the three main characters in the passage? Three main characters in the passage. Habib is raising his hand, except for Habib who wants to answer. Shabista, go ahead. Unmute yourself and answer, Shabista.
दीदी तुम्ही
Good. Writing down is yes. Yes, Tumi is the main character. Kammo is the big sister, and mom is the mother. Okay, guys.
मिस टुम्मी को वेल ने खा ली
Yes. So कौन जाएगा Tumi को?
उसकी सिस्टर
And
और मॉम
amazing. What's the name of the sister?
कम्मो
Good job. Very good. Well done. All right. Amazing. Now next, who wants to read this one? I think Faizan was asking for a very long time to read. Faizan, go ahead and read.
What if I can't sing ABC and the other
Feeling of the author here.
Crying
what would
or
be
scared?
Tumi's feeling here? Crying or scared? All right. Thank you so much for sharing. Who else wants to share? Sad. Sabah is saying Tumi would feel sad. All right. What else? Upset. Okay.
sad?
Okay. Sad. Okay. Yes. Okay, Mehek. You get to read the next one. Yes, Mehek. Please unmute yourself and start reading. Lonely. Sabah is saying lonely. Farzana is saying sad and upset. Iram is saying.
Then teacher.
Yes.
When teacher Jill will help you remember.
Amazing. Then teacher Jill will help you remember. Okay. Now, who is the new character in this passage? Who is the new character in this passage? Illu?
Jill.
Jill.
Teacher Jill.
Amazing. Thank you so much for answering. Can you please mute yourself? Okay. Now the next one, I'm going to ask Iram to read since she had a chance to read. Yes, Iram, go ahead. Ilma and Meg, can you please mute yourself?
What if I'm scared of going to the dentist tomorrow?
How many of you are scared of going to a doctor or a dentist? Please type yes in the chat box so Didi knows, or give me a thumbs up. How many of you are scared? Yes, even I am very scared. Okay, Gaurav is scared. Farzana, Iram, Zoya, Nehal. Oh, Nehal is not scared. Sabita is scared. Yeah, Sabha is scared. Nehal is not. Oh my God, Shifa says she likes to go. Okay. Okay, Habib is saying no, he's not scared. Mehak is saying no, they are not scared. Amazing. So, some of you are, some of you are not. Who is a dentist, guys? Who is a dentist? Who's a dentist? Dentist कौन होता है? Yes, Huzaif. I'm going to ask you to unmute yourself and answer. दांत का डॉक्टर?
Yes.
Yes, amazing. Okay.
जो दांत निकालते हैं.
Yes. सिर्फ दांत नहीं निकालता है.
दांत निकालते हैं.
Yes. सिर्फ दांत नहीं निकालता है.
कीड़ा भी रहता है, वो भी निकालते हैं.
Yes. Yes. When you eat a lot of chocolate, they remove your teeth. Sometimes they just take
कीड़ा 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 काला कीड़ा.
Got it. Please mute yourself now. Okay. All right. Amazing. So, doctor not only, dentist not only just removes teeth, he also takes care of your teeth. What if I'm scared of going to the dentist? Guys, now that you told me that some of you are scared, some of you are not, tell me how would you feel if you were asked to go to a dentist tomorrow? Your feelings. Didi wants to know your feelings. If you were asked to go to a dentist, you're going to type it down in the chat box. How would you feel? Scared. Except for the word scared, you can use any other word. Gaurav is saying he would feel okay. Mehak says nice or good. Mehak and Ilma. Sabha would say shock. Okay. Huzaif, can you take off your bottle glass from that camera? Shifa is saying that she will feel good. Farzana will feel scared. Okay. Nervous. Sabha is saying she'll feel nervous. Okay. Excited. Habib will be excited to go to a dentist. Amazing. All right. Thank you so much for sharing so many feelings. All right. We'll quickly move on. Now, the next one I want. Farzana, you've already read, Baba. Afreen. Afreen, can you please unmute yourself and start reading? Guys, can you hear me? Yeah. Can you guys hear me? I don't know if you guys can. Okay, Faizan is giving me a thumbs up. Shifa is
Yes, I
giving
can
me-
hear you. Yes, yes.
Amazing. Afreen, can you hear me? If yes, start reading. Wait. Iram will end the class in the next 10 minutes. Promise. Okay?
Didi, I want to read.
Who wants to read? Gaurav. Okay, Huzet, go ahead. Yes, Huzet.
I will be right there holding my hand, your hand. Everybody get scared. Mama said it is okay.
Okay. Now, whose thinking is this? I will be right there holding your hand. Everybody gets scared. Mama says it's okay. Whose thinking is this? I know that Maru is raising his hand. Sabha is raising her hand. Shabista. Whose thinking is this? Habib, can you guess whose thinking is this?
Miss, the thinking is Mama.
Okay, amazing. What is Mama trying to say? I'm going to ask Farzana to answer.
Miss मैं
कौन है ये मैं Habib.
मारू
Okay, go ahead, answer. Yes, Maru. Good job, Sabha. All right. Yes, Maru.
क्या हुआ मिस?
You said मैं.
हाँ मिस, उसकी मम्मा ने बोली कि मेरा हाथ पकड़ लो, तुमको डर नहीं लगेगा.
Amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay. All right. What is the mother trying to make to me feel? What is the feeling that the mother is trying to give to me? Maru, can you please mute yourself and type it in the chat box? Type it in the chat box. Okay. What is the feeling that the mother is trying to give to me?
Making him feel better.
Feel better. Good job, Farzana. That's a wonderful answer. Okay. All right. You guys have written making him feel better, making him feel comfortable, comfort. Yes, you guys are right. Okay, the word is comfortable. She's trying to make him feel comfortable. Any other feeling that you think she's trying to give them? Trying to give him? No? Okay. So comfort and making him feel better. All right. With that, we are going to close out our reading time. The last question that you guys have to keep in mind. Can you see my screen? Okay, we've already done the reading. Now what you're going to do is, guys, this is your post. You have to write a story of a day when you were scared and someone comforted you. Okay, you have to write a story and you have to send this as your post work. Means after the class is over, you are going to take some time and you're going to write down this story.
मिस जो रियल
Write
में
this
हुआ वो
down.
ना,
Yes, जो real में तुम्हारे साथ हुआ वो. Take 2 minutes to quickly write down the heading of this story. Okay? Write
भी
this down.
नहीं लिया मैंने कब से.
Maru, quickly write this down in your notebook. Take 2 minutes. Your time starts now. Once you are done, give me a thumbs up. I can see Sabha has already started writing. Started writing. Amazing.
I am going.
Yes, Faizan, you can be.
दीदी can I leave?
Make sure you send it. Okay?
मिस मैं जाऊँ? मिस 20% चार्जिंग है.
Write this down.
20% चार्जिंग. अरे हो गया ना.
नहीं हुआ. You have to write this down in your notebook. Please. It's okay. You write this down and then you leave. Yes, you have to write it now.
दीदी क्या लिखना है?
You have to write this down so that you don't forget कि आपको story किस पे लिखना है. Farzana, can you see something on my screen?
दीदी हो गया.
Oh,
Once you're done, you're going to give me a thumbs up.
दीदी हो गया.
Guys, you're not going to unmute yourself, okay? until Didi asks you to. Maru, we are not going to say things like that in our classroom. That's not allowed. I'm sorry. That language is not allowed or anywhere else. Okay. I think most of you are done. I'm going to stop screen sharing. This is the story that you have to send it to Didi. All right. Before 6 p.m. Okay. You have 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours to write down this story, and you have to send this to Didi by 6 p.m. Okay. Yes.